Hello friends, welcome to Free Writing Lessons. In this video, we will learn the basics of report writing. We will first understand what is report writing. Then we will look into the format of report writing, and finally we will look into an example of report writing. So without a further go, let's get started. What is a report? A report is a clear and concise document which is written for a particular purpose and audience. Please note the three important parts of the definition here. Clear means it should possess clarity of expression and must not deviate from the objective. Concise means it should be of shorter length. Generally, it is of 200 words, but it depends on the question. Purpose means it is written to provide certain important information. It may be regarding an event or an incident, and it is meant for a particular audience. The report may be written for a school magazine or journals or newspaper. Please remember the definition of report. Now, there are some important points to remember while writing any report. Number 1, it must be written in past tense. Number 2, we don't use the first person in writing report. That is I, me, such pronouns are not allowed. We try to use the third person. Number 3, we use indirect speech while writing any report. And number 4, we use passive voice while writing any report. If you see the points, you must have the knowledge of tense, first person, second person, third person or point of view, direct indirect speech and active passive voice while writing any report. We have already covered all these topics in our grammar lessons. I will provide you the links in the description in case you need it. Please watch them after this video. So please remember these points while writing any report. Now let's understand the format of a report. First, let's draw a rectangular box. Please note it is not necessary to draw a box. In the first line, in the middle, please write the heading of the report in capital letter. The heading contains the event name. After that, in the right hand corner, write reported by or by, name of the reporter and designation if any. In the left hand corner, write the place of the report and below that write the date on which the report is written. After that comes the body of the report. Body of the report is divided into 3 parts: introduction, main content and conclusion. In the introduction, in the first line, answer the questions in the sequence. What is the event? Who conducted it? When was it conducted? And where was it conducted? In the second line, answer the question why it was conducted. And in the third line, you can write the participants or volunteers that participated in the event. When you fulfill this, your introduction will be completed. Now, coming to the second paragraph, that is of main content. Here, you have to write how the event started and what were the highlights of the event. And third one is conclusion. Here, you have to summarize the end of the event with a positive note. If you notice closely, in the first paragraph, you need to answer the 5 W's. What, who, when, where and why. And in the second paragraph, you need to answer how it was held. Please remember this and you won't have difficulty in writing any report. So this is the complete format of report. Please note there are some variation in the position of reported by, date and location. Please consult your teacher in case of any confusion and follow the format of your school. Let's understand this format with an example. The question is, Red Cross Society organized a blood donation camp in TCS Gandhinagar for its employees. Write a report in about 200 words covering the event as a reporter of Times of India. Let's start with the heading Blood Donation Camp at TCS. Notice all the words are in capital letter. In the right hand side, let's write reported by XYZ reporter Times of India. Please note if the name is not provided, write XYZ. Please do not write your name in the exam. Now in the left hand side, let's write the location, which is Gandhinagar, and the date on which the report is written. Let's write 14th March 2020. Now comes the body of the report. As discussed, it is divided into 3 paragraphs. The first paragraph must have in the first line the answer of the questions in the sequence: what was the event about, who conducted the event, when it happened, and where it happened. In the second line, answer to the question of why the event occurred. And in the third line, you have to write the participants or the volunteers that participated in the event. When we fulfill this, our introductory paragraph looks something like this. A blood donation camp was organized by Red Cross Society on 10th March 2020 from 10 am to 5 pm at TCS Gandhinagar. The main purpose of this event was to create awareness regarding regular blood donation among the employees. It was very well planned camp and many employees voluntarily participated in this noble cause. In the second paragraph, we have to write how the event started and what were the highlights of the event. Let's write in this way. A team of 5 doctors and 20 nurses were present at the location. Dr. Akash gave an informative speech on the importance of blood donation at the start of the event. The first person to donate the blood was the head of HR department. After that, a large number of employees donated blood with beaming faces and a proud heart. Refreshment was provided before and after the donation of the blood to each donor. A certification of appreciation, donation card, and a tea mug were given to each donor as a token of gratitude. So this is the second paragraph. And in the final paragraph, we have to summarize the end of the event with a positive note. Let's write in this way. As the end of the event was approaching, there was a sense of satisfaction on the faces of volunteers as the total of 257 units of blood was collected. The team of doctors appreciated all those who participated in the camp and making it a huge success. Combining all 3, the final report looks like this. So that's all about report writing in this lesson. Let's quickly revise what we learned in this lesson. First, we understood what is a report. A report is a clear and concise document which is written for a particular purpose and particular audience. Then, we looked into the key points to remember while writing any report. Then, we looked into the format of report writing. Then, we looked in depth on what to write in the body of the report. And finally, with the help of an example, we understood how to write a report. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions related to the lesson or you want to provide any suggestion, please write in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share the video so others can learn, and do subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon to get regular updates about the course. All the best for your upcoming exams. We will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.